Hello, welcome back to deescapades. So today I'm going to show you how to register for a TSC number. If you're a new teacher, you'll have to go to the TSC website, which is the main website for applying for the TSC, which is the tsconline.tsc.go.ke. So first things first, go to their website, and from there you're going to find the first page where you're going to enter your credentials. But before then, let me show you.
We interrupt this program to bring you
The necessary requirements. First things first, you'll have to fill the biodata form. In this form, you find various details such as your ID number, your username, your phone number, your KRA pin, and the category of TSC number that you are applying for. In the category section, you have to select either you are applying for the primary school teacher, the high school teacher, or the ECDE teacher. From there, you'll have to go to are you a trained teacher? If you are a trained teacher, you have gone for your teaching practice, you just have to input and say yes to that question. Then from there, you'll have to input your the KCSE year that you did your KCSE, the Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education year, when you search for it, and the grade that you got. Then from there, you'll just have to go to the next part or the next section, which is still biodata. So yeah, so I hope that this video helps a lot. It helps you out when you are filling out your TSC number. And in case of any question, please don't hesitate to contact us at our email. It is on the description box down below. And guys, you can watch other videos that we have done concerning the online hacks by deescapades. So I hope you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like as we move on to the next part. So as we continue to fill our form, I would like to redirect your attention to the left hand side of your screen. As you can see, there are various types of instructions there. So please, you go through the instructions and go through the ones that conform to you. So you are supposed to even know that for registration of the TSC number, you are going to have to pay 1,060 shillings either through M-Pesa as the pay bill number given right there, and your account number as the ID. But also you can also decide to pay for the TSC number using the bank, which is National Bank, which is the Kenyan government main bank. So there are those two forms of registration if you want to go ahead and pay for that before you start the process. So yeah. So in this other section, you'll have to go on adjusting and put in other details that you did not manage to put in the first section. In this section, you'll have to put your first name in the box shown below. You'll also have to put your other names, and you also have to go and choose your religion according to your faith. Also, you'll have to choose your date of birth, the month, the year of, or the date of month of birth according to your national ID or according to your birth certificate. So from there, you'll have to choose your gender depending on if you are male or female. From there, you'll have to go and put your nationality, your home county, where you come from. You'll have to go and put your sub-county. Then it's going to ask you if you have any type of impairment or are you disabled, where you'll have to select appropriately if you are disabled or not. From there, you'll have to go and input your email, your official email. In case TSC want to contact you, they're going to contact you using the specified email that you're going to input. From there, we'll have to input also your phone numbers that are also quite important in the application process. In the category down below, we are going to input your postal code, your permanent postal code and your current postal code. So in this particular page, or in this particular second step, those are the details that are quite important to input. So in the next part, we are going to go in a few. So in this section, we are going to input the three main certificates, your academic certificates, which are your college certificates, your high school certificates, and your primary certificate. You are going to input the institution of each and every certificate, from your college to your high school to your primary. You're also going to input from when you started for each of the three certificates, from which year to which year. Then you're also going to select the level of the certificate. If it's a college degree in the education sector, there are various types of educational degrees. It can be a BSc, it can be a ECDE, and various other levels. So you are also going to specify there in the level. As you can see, you're also going to choose your specialization, and from there you're also going to input your certificate number, your KCSE or KCPE or your college certificate number indicated in your certificate. You are also going to input it in the system. From there, you are going to input your certificate year. Each and every certificate has an year of graduation, so you're going to input that. Then from there, you have to have already scanned your certificate, which you're going to choose and attach to your application. So you're going to do this for all the three certificates, so until the next step. So do this for all the three certificates, then we move to the next step. This particular section, we are going to add all the other important documents such as the M-Pesa evidence statement, M-Pesa evidence, scanned documents such as the good conduct, such as the KRA. We are going to put all these documents in this particular section, so please make sure you have already scanned the documents prior to starting your application so that it is easier for you. So I hope you are going to do it accordingly. So this is the last section. So in this section you are going to input the number of hours you have trained as a teacher, the credit, if you got a credit, a pass, or a distinction in your final study in college, and the number of hours that you have trained as a teacher. Then it's going to ask you basic questions. Have you ever been convicted? Have you ever been in prison? Then you are going to input your mode of payment. Do you use M-Pesa or did you use your bank? So it's going to ask you for a payment reference number, which you are going to input down below, and when was the payment made, you are also going to indicate it. From there you just have to go and save and finalize your application, and please make sure you print the confirmation page at the end of the application. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video.